Hello, we've got a vegetarian coming for Christmas dinner this year and we're not used to cooking those sort of meals, so today we're going to have a practice run. So I'll take you into the kitchen and we'll see what the chef's got ready for us.
Hello everybody, so what we thought we'd do is we'll do an easy nut roast, and this is based on one we got online. It's called Crank's nut roast. Right, okay, so the first thing I've done is I've made up some breadcrumbs. Now we use this bread from Asda, which is a wholemeal and rye farmhouse loaf. Now the recipe calls for 100 grams. This was an 800 gram loaf, so I basically divided it and used about 3 slices. Should be alright. Then we've got some marmite, that's a little bit we're adding just to give it a bit of flavour. We've got some mixed nuts and some hazelnuts to give it a nice nutty flavour. We had to get the chopped ones because we haven't got a chopper. And I thought, now the person who's coming doesn't like onions, so we thought we'd use cranberries instead. The recipe called for onions, but we're going to put a few cranberries in, should taste nice. And then we've got mixed herbs and some yeast extract. So let's get going.
So are you ready to go?
Yes, I think so. So if you want to tell me what to do, and I'll get it going.
Well, you need the nuts and the bread.
Okay, so it says 225 grams of nuts, but that'll leave us 25 grams, so I'm not going to leave them. So okay. We'll add the nuts. We've got chopped mixed nuts. In they go. And we've got some chopped hazelnuts.
Sounds good.
And a lot of nuts. And these are my breadcrumbs. Yeah. I hope these are finely chopped enough because I just did it in my hand.
Sure, they'll be fine.
So let's give that a bit of a mix.
So now you heat the stock and yeast extract to boiling point.
Okay, so the stock I'm using 2 vegetable cubes and boil some water and give it a good stir.
Yeah, and it says mix it well.
Okay. Right, and then add the stock yeast extract into the mixture and mix well. Now it says this should be slack, whatever that means.
Soon find out.
It looks a bit slack to me. Right, now that's all mixed together, so we're just going to add a few little extras. These are actually our extras, so we're going to put a couple of cranberries in. We're going to put a spoonful of marmite. And put a little bit of herbs in, but not too many, just to give it a bit. There we go, give it a good stir. So we get a grease-proof tin to put it in. So I've lined the tin and we're going to put the mixture in. The oven's been preheated to 180 degrees and it needs to cook for about 30 minutes. So I'll just make that look nice. So that's our nut loaf. And I'll put it in the oven. Cup of coffee, Dot?
Oh, yes please. Is it ready yet?
I'll just check. It's ready! Shall we have a look then?
No, I'm excited to see what it looks like.
How you know it's cooked, I don't know. Well, it's been in for half an hour, so there we go.
Yeah, it don't look bad, does it? Well, we'll let that cool then and we'll try it in a minute.
Fancy some nut roast, Dawn?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to trying it. Oh, it's heavy.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll try a bit then. Actually, it's not bad at all. Quite like it.
Can't wait. Mmm.
You've ate it all then?
I'll tell you what, it was really nice. I really enjoyed it. Definitely recommended, and we'll put the ingredients in the details below. And what did you think of it, Dawn?
I really enjoyed it. And do you know, I think putting the cranberries in it made it taste even nicer. Well, that's Christmas dinner sorted. Thank you for watching. Bye.